Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So today I actually found a way to render the characters of the image correctly. So I'm going to be able to render text now, I think. So I've been playing around a little bit without recording, but I wrote the thing on a piece of paper that I have next to me so that I can implement it. So basically, so we did this function in the previous video, and one thing I found out was that um, the character width has like a padding of 1. Wait, I'm just gonna read here on my notes. So, yeah, I'll show you what I mean. But yeah, basically we're gonna have to change this to char width +1 times x, and we're gonna do the same one for the y one, but yeah, so that's that. And also we're gonna need to define some variables here. And by the way, if you didn't watch the previous video, what we're trying to do here is that we're trying to cut characters from an image to render text. So if I show you the picture, font null. So stop. So this is like a picture or a sprite sheet with a font that I'm trying to load, and we're trying to render or blit one character at once, basically. So we're trying to cut out pieces from this image. So yeah, int x equals 0, int y equals 0. I'm reading from my notes here. That's why I'm pausing sometimes. So yeah, and also this is actually this image is actually 8 by 12, so it's 8 characters wide and 12 characters tall. So basically we're gonna have to do int width is equal to 8 and int age is equal to 12. Okay, and then what I want to do is that I don't want to specify I don't want to collect the character. Wait, I don't want to collect the character using XY coordinates. I want to use a single integer. So for example, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 11. So we're gonna do that instead. So we're gonna map like an integer to the coordinates instead. So for example, we might have like int char pointer, let's just call it pointer, I don't care. So maybe we want to render the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Maybe we want to render that one, so we have to do 18. I'm just taking that as an example now. And then we have to, it's probably a more beautiful way of doing this, but we're gonna be a little lazy now. So we're looping through the cells of the image, like theoretically here, and then we're gonna have to so if pointer is less, wait, oh, my friend is calling me at, why? I don't have time for that right now. So if the pointer is less or equal to, guess, no, if I is less or equal to pointer, then we're going to do something in here. So if I modulo width is equal to 0 and I not equals 0, then we know that the Y position is increasing, so we're going down a level. So if we reach the end of the row, then we need to push down the Y coordinate, basically. Else x plus equals 1. So if that is not happening, then the x coordinate is increasing, and also we need to go back to the beginning in the x coordinate if this happens, basically. So yeah, and also if we're done, we need to break. So that's basically it. And yeah, so maybe we can try that. Now I see something wrong here. This is not supposed to be there. Okay. So why make? So are we getting the? Yeah, we're getting the 2. So that actually works. Now we want to do something. We're gonna make this even better by doing. So I want to be able to do like this, and then it will render the character A. So in order to do that, if we go to the internet and we search for ASCII table, so we will see that the I don't think this was what I was looking for. Or yeah, so we will see that the value of the A character is 97. So, and our why did I close that? So basically, we want to add some negative padding so that it maps correctly to our image. So in order to do that, we need to first do like minus 97. So we remove 97 plus that one, the integer of A. So this one is equal to 97 right now. So this whole expression here is equal to 0 at the moment. And then we have to count where does the A start. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 30. So 33. So we need to also do plus 33. So this expression here now should actually return the pointer to the A mapped to the image. So we should see an A now, I think, if I did this correctly. Yes, so now we can see an A here. Nice. It should work like if I put an, a K, we should see a K. And that works perfectly fine. So now we can actually render characters. We're going to modify this function a little bit. Now we can do this the quick and bloated way. The really quick and bloated way is to have like an actor instance for every character. Now that is not the way you should do this. I've done some research, and the way you should do it, I guess, is use something like OpenGL has support for texture arrays. So you should probably use that. And you can also like turn the whole string into one texture that you're trying to render. So yeah, I haven't really thought about how we should do that, but I'm gonna make this a little bit prettier, I guess. So this is going to be called get char from texture. So int row width, int row rows, no, int rows y, int rows, wait, x. Let's call it a number, so it's the number of rows. And then we also want the yeah, maybe that's good for now. And then texture t font texture. So we're not gonna do that here, I guess. Nope. And then we want to change to rows x, and this to no. Rows y. Oh, we don't even want them to be there. 8 by 12. Okay. Okay. And also we want to know which char you want to which char do you want to render? Okay. Get char. So now we're gonna get some problems in the actor pad. Also in the get char. Let's just copy this one Sure, from texture. Maybe it's guitar texture from texture. I guess this should probably be in the textures file, but let's just do that for now. Let's just not care about that right now. So, okay. So that is undefined textures. So why is that undefined? We need to do this. We need to do this. We need to do this. And this. Okay. Obviously, we cannot do that. Yeah, so now we're using a function that is not, it does not exist. So the way we would do this now is actually get shard texture from texture, and let's say we want to render the E character, and the texture is 8x12, and then get texture res font, no, what was it called? Res font null terminator. No terminator.png. So it should render an E now, and it does. So that works. So yeah, I guess we could use, I mean, we could do we could do a really ugly way of rendering text, I guess. So I don't like doing that, but no, we should probably do it the correct way, you know. I was thinking we could do it very hacky and have like an actor for every character, but that's, I don't like that. So one thing though that we're gonna do is, I don't really like that we have this function in maybe we should move all the text stuff to the textures thing, because I mean the text is textures, but hey, let's just move this one here. Some texture, so no. I mean, this is doing texture stuff, so it shouldn't be in here, I think. What? Oh, no. No. I mean, it does texture stuff, so it should be in here. Okay. So that, okay, so, okay. Okay, so we need to pass in that here too. Int char h. And we need to copy that one to the header file. So like that. Make clean. Make. Too few arguments. Okay, so we're not. And the character is 7x7. Nice. So that works. So I guess in our text .c we need to do the thing here. In our text. So I mean, now we have to do this. I mean, we're gonna need this stuff. Yeah, we're gonna need this stuff. So texture, yeah, that's what we're gonna need. I guess we can copy some stuff from here. Like for now, we're gonna do a little bit of bloaty. Like we're gonna have each character is gonna be its own texture, so we're not gonna do it one texture, but at least we're not gonna have multiple actor instances for it. So at least we're doing it a little bit gracefully. So yeah, we're still gonna do this. We're gonna do this loop, I guess. So let's just do this hard-coded for now to like 16 or whatever. Oh, let's actually do it 24. Let's just call this. So, and then okay. So I guess we're going to do that. It's still sort of bloaty to do it like this, but I guess we'll make it pretty later. So yeah, that will be the model for that. Alright, so shader default. So we're gonna need to use what? So why are we doing that? That's weird. We're not even using it. Alright. We're gonna use that one though. We're gonna use the shader. And maybe we have to, no, we can do that. So does this compile? No. I think we need to include, wait, why doesn't it compile? Near unknown type. we're not... Wait, we're not including... Okay, so we need to include this into the... Here. And we cannot do it like that. So okay, so we're not actor, so actor, but why is that actor .h? Why does it complain about that? Unsigned. Expected glue int. But why doesn't it complain about these? They're not glue ints. Well, that's really weird. Expected. AK, but arguments. AK unsigned in. Well, that's pretty weird. So, okay. That's really weird, actually. Why does it do that? That can't be right. Well, apparently it was. So that's pretty... I don't even know what to say about that. Okay. Okay, so we're doing that, and we're doing that, and now we need to, I guess we need to do this. Vertices. Vertex array, scene manager array. Okay, so manage. What? Okay, so we're using that one. We need to do that one too, I guess. Invalid type have int. What does that mean? Okay, so we need to, okay. We actually need to include that. AVBO. A texture. Okay, so now here's the deal. We need to get chart texture from texture. So now we actually want to do this stuff. Font, texture. And yeah, I know this is very hacky and it's not the best optimized way to do it, but we're just gonna be hacky for now, okay? It's actually really bad, so yeah, it shouldn't be done. It shouldn't be done like this, but oh well. Does this compile now? No, a texture. So we're still doing a text. Oh. So it compiles, but so now in our actor, what if we do, oh, I mean actor pad, what if we do so, well, let's just give him the ball texture again. So he has the ball texture. Now let's see if we can draw stuff here. Okay, so in our actor pad, actor draw. So what does the actor draw do? The actor draw does this. Okay, actor pad, actor draw. Draw text. Isn't that? No, render text. Should probably rename it to draw because the other things are called that. Render text. Hello. If this works, it does not work. Why doesn't it work? So 74. So we're having some problems here, I guess. So what are the problems? Access not within mapped area. What? So what does that mean? Use of uninitialized value 53. So okay. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure you want to do that, you know. Hey, I see something there. Ooh, that's okay. Okay, so one step forward. Render text. So I guess one problem here is that we're not really we need to transform the matrix, I guess. So that's one of the problems. We're not transforming. This is not really what you want to do. Model. So okay. Uniform matform model. So I guess we want to do this. I guess we want to do this. I guess we want to do that here. So that is. So yeah. And then we want to do. I just want to do this. And then this, I guess. But with that. So what if we just do 0, 0, 0 there for now. A model. So now it's rendered. Okay, so that's expected. X, Y, Y times size. What if we do that? So now it looks better, I guess, but it's not. Y, what if we do 120? So now it's, let's bring it down a little bit. So let's go, no, stop. 120. So we're seeing some, I think they're just rendered at the same place right now. So if we do plus I times size. Okay, so what is going on here? What is going on here? So if we do 32, I have no idea what this looks pretty weird to me. 64 H, so that looks very weird actually. I don't even understand what is going on. What's going on here? Okay. What if we only render A? Because we know the A works, okay? But that, no, it still still becomes strange for some reason that I'm not sure of. Actor pad, Actor C. So what is the problem? Well, that did something. I don't know what it did, but so what is this? What am I even looking at? What am I even looking at here? Well, this is really strange actually. Bind texture. Oh wait. So if we go into the, so we're not doing this, I guess. Shouldn't we do that? Like, oh, isn't it? Are we supposed to do something like that? No. I mean, okay. Or are we missing something here? Unsigned int text is equal to did not work. what is the problem? Like, why does it do this? Something about this, or what if we make this bigger? Wait, I made it smaller. Let's make it 64. So that just made it worse. What is the problem now? Come on. Come on. 7 by 7. 7, 7, 12. 7, 7, 12. 7, 7, 8, 12. 7, 7, 8, 12. Or is it? Wait, we're using the wrong font, so that's not really. Hey, that's actually not weird. Hey, look at that. Look at that text. So, what if we do now? If everything works as expected, we should see hello there now. And if that works, like, I'm gonna feel like a boss if this works. Hello, it works. Well. That is amazing. I got the text to work. So, yeah, that actually works. That actually works. Let's just bring it back to 0. And it's gonna be times. This is like the correct way, I guess, to do it, because it's. But so. Yeah, we're gonna have to be fiddling with the numbers a bit to get things right. So I guess this actually needs to be, because the character is like 7 pixels. No, I didn't do it. 14. So we're cutting out. I mean, the characters are always 7 by 7. I times 24. Wait, isn't that supposed to be like times 2 to be correct? I think that is exactly correct, actually. So, times 2, and then plus spacing. So, let's say we have like a spacing of, let's do 7 or something, I don't know. Let's make it 12. So the font is always the same size now, but it will do for now. At least it works. Okay, so now we're gonna remove this, I guess, because other than this it should not be translated anything else. Like it should only, yeah, the problem here is actually because what if I want this to follow the actor when it moves? I'm drawing the text here, and we're translating the actor here. Yeah, so the yeah, it's not really. Maybe we should use the actors. Yes, I think it's something with the vertex array thing that's currently wrong. Or maybe it is that the I don't know how to get that to work actually. Yeah, obviously when we're, I guess here we should free the text as well. Or maybe that's stupid. No, you cannot do that. So, but anyway, we'll think about memory issues later. So that works. The problem is that it's not really affected by the actor. I guess one thing you can do is like have this model, like copy the actor's model and just translate it from there. But I think you should be able to if we use the actor's VBO, I think it would be affected by it. Anyways, that's for another video, I guess. We got the text working finally. This was actually harder than I thought. I don't think the translation thing is going to be that problematic or that difficult, so yeah, we'll do that in another video. So yeah, thank you for watching, and yeah, I'm so happy I got this to work. Wait, I'm gonna commit this before we do anything else. Text is working. Cool. So thank you for watching, guys.